how to fix your Instacart order not arriving. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your order status. You want to open your Instacart and then go to the orders tab and check the latest status and estimated arrival time. You can also go ahead and verify your delivery information, by the way. Make sure that your address, phone number, and delivery instructions are correct and update if anything is wrong. If that is not the case, you want to also simply go ahead and check for delivery updates. Tap on order details to see real-time updates. By the way, you might need to simply go ahead and wait a few extra minutes as well, because it could be because of traffic, weather, or high demand. You can also go ahead and message your shopper. You can say something like, "Hi, just checking on my order. Please let me know if you need help finding my address," and so on and so forth. If none of it works, you want to simply go to help.instacart.com and simply go ahead and contact their support team. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.